This is Kenneth Bell from KB Holdings, going to give you some more game on real estate development. If you want to become a real estate developer, if you're interested in real estate development, follow my channel. I post a lot of beneficial content on helping people get started and understanding real estate development and what it's all about. So what I'm posting on today is called highest and best use and what that means. There are a lot of wholesalers and flippers that don't understand highest and best use. So we're going to break that down to show you how you make money with highest and best use. Highest and best use means I am trying to get as much value out of a lot or piece of property as I possibly can get. I don't want to leave money on the table. So if you guys look at some of the things I develop, you may see a very small house next to a very big house on a lot of occasions. And you think to yourself, well, why is there that tiny house there and then there's $1 million house here? The reason why is because that small house, the value of the land has now surpassed the value of the house. The land is worth as much or more than the house is worth. And that becomes a problem because the house is only so big. So if I'm in a neighborhood where I can sell a 3,000 square foot house for, let's say, $1.5 million, and next to it, there's a 1,500 square foot house that I could sell for $500,000 or $600,000. Am I really getting the most value out of that lot? No, you're not. The house is only as big as it is. It's not going to sell for as much as the other houses are. So if you're a flipper, then you going and flipping that house, you're going to leave money on the table because the highest value is a house that's 3,000 or 4,000 square feet, not a house that's 1,500 square feet. So you fixing that house that is 1,500 square feet is not highest and best use. So what you should do instead is either add on to that house to make it as big as it possibly could be to stay within the value range of the neighborhood, or you bulldoze that house and you start all over again and you build a brand new house that's big enough to sustain that value. So that is the part where people go into areas and they don't look at the value of the land. Real estate development is about looking at the value of the land. Houses are made of sticks and bricks. They are just commodities. I posted another video that talks about that, but you want to focus as a real estate investor really on the land, and you want to make sure that you maximize the value of every piece of property that you have. So if you can fit a $2 million house on that lot, you're fitting a $2 million house. If the most that you can fit on a lot is a $400,000 house, then you don't put a $200,000 house. You want to maximize the value. So that's it. Highest and best use. You are trying to get the most out of a lot you possibly can, always. So if you're a flipper and you're not looking at highest and best use, or if you're a wholesaler and not looking at highest and best use, then you are leaving money on the table. If you like this content, if you like learning about real estate development, please like, subscribe, and follow. Please leave comments too. I like to have conversations with people about real estate development. Everyone doesn't agree with what I say or what I think. It's my opinion, of course. Also, if you want to learn more about me teaching about real estate development, take a look at the links in my bio. It has information on boot camps and mentorships that I offer to help people like you become real estate developers. That's it, guys. See you next time.